We are in the middle of a final. Toss of 17. Non-computation. Applying this process to transcendental functions is complicated by the table maker's dilemma. The banker's form of this process has a tiebreaker avoiding bias towards zero, in which expected error over sums can be minimized, sometimes denoted with a wavy equal sign for the points. This is green 4. I can prompt you.
Estimation.
I can prompt you, Greg.
Round.
Yes, okay. So rounding is correct for uh 4 points, and that is to red 3 and green 4 had a -2. Okay, we are moving on to 18 as a computation basic. Marcus saved $47 in January, $62 in February, and $39 in March. That's green 4. No,
$40.
yeah, that's -2 for green 2. To the nearest 10, 150 is correct to green 3 for 6 points. Here's 19. Computation pyramidal. You walk 5 laps tracing a semicircle with a diameter of 6 meters, walking along the curve and the diameter, and you want to approximate to the nearest meter how far you have walked using pi equals 3. You calculate the curved part of the semicircle to be pi times, that's green 3,
120.
that's -2.
75.
75 is correct for red 1 for 6 points. Here's 20, then we'll check the score again. Computation basic. If an arithmetic sequence starts with 4, 7, 10, what is the 10th number in this green 4? No.
44.
Nope, that's green 5 -2.
31.
31 is correct to,
Buzzer, then you reset.
what do you mean I reset?
Like buzzer reset, and then I buzzed, and then it went to again.
It's,
Like mine lit up. I saw mine lit up.
you saw yours light up?
Yes, it went to. Then you reset it, and then it.
No. So what happened is what I think happened is because sometimes these buzzers are a little finicky, I might have reset it and then you were holding it down and then like the buzzer had reset even though I didn't reset it and then went to you. So I know that this is an issue that happens sometimes with buzzers.
Maybe you held it down for a bit too long.
Yeah, that's what I think happened. So I think just out of fairness, I'm going to throw that question out. You keep the minus, and then it is open for everybody else. Just because sometimes, the buzzers can be a little finicky, and I don't want you to get screwed out of points because you said that you had it. So typically with the protocol for what happens there is whoever had a minus on that question is still ineligible and the question opens up to everybody else.
Okay, so hold on. So Marty had a minus, Charles had a minus, and then we're
Restarting
for the third. For the third, one more interrupt essentially. Do we have a problem?
No, yes. There is no Slack sent to me.
What? I had it.
Okay, no,
Can you just hold on a
we're
second?
suggesting one more thing and we're gonna get back to that, so hang on.
Yeah.
Thank
There-
you
there's-
for being patient.
So I'm sorry that you did get it correct, but again, we are just following the protocols here, which is sometimes when the buzzers reset, like you prop at the end, because I believe you because this is a problem that's happened with the buzzers before where you have it and then I like accidentally hold it for an extra half a second and then yours lights up. So in that case, again, we were going to move on. The issue now though is there's we have to pause the game for a second because there was some, or we'll explain it when it comes up, but we have to just pause for a second.
And what?
Just pause for a second.
No, continue.
But yeah, I never got a GM right.
Yeah, Papa.
Are you aware of what's going on?
Obviously.
So pretty much.
Oh, it's so
No, there was a tie. This is the one that's where there was a tie and we didn't tie first. Oh,
This.
no, that's not.
Yeah, I mean, I can't pause the file.
I know, I know.
Yeah.
Something like, yeah.
Well, let's try.
We'll explain it in just a few minutes. We're still figuring it out ourselves, so.
I just don't want to reveal too much right now. This is my life. I've heard every single
You've
possible
seen
thing.
just about everything.
Also, for the record, I got the live stream up. It's been up for a bit, but for the record, we just sort of had an opening, so now.
Is anyone actually watching?
Yeah, according to this,
We're all.
How many people?
4.
Thank you. Please like the video. Please like and subscribe. And make sure to press the bell button to look for further videos.
Big comment.
Okay.
What is going on?
Okay. So in short, what happened was there was a tiebreaker from a previous round that was not properly communicated to everyone, and that's basically all that I'm gonna say. But we are completely good to go. We have the right people, we have the right stuff. So again, the protocol is raise your hand if you had gotten the previous question incorrect. So I believe it was you two. So you are not eligible to buzz on this. We are keeping your minus. But everyone else, so you 7, can buzz on this next replacement toss-up. And I promise that whatever happened with the buzzer won't happen again. And I apologize to you because you did know it, but again, we're just following the protocols. So here's the replacement computation basic toss-up. No. I cannot protest what is currently what the rules are. So we are moving on. I know it's unfortunate, but it's basically as though she had gotten the question. So it's basically just we're going to do the we're going to follow the protocols. So the computation basic toss-up is what is 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial? In other words, what is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by the quantity 3 times. That is correct for red 4 is 840. That is 6 points. Okay. So we will continue with. Okay, we will continue with 20.
Is this question 20? What do you want to do, score check or?
Wait, actually, it'll be 21, and we can do a quick score check. Yes.
Okay, yes, so Bryson is currently in second. And Srihas is currently in third with 16.
Okay. Alright. So we have 5 more questions to go. We will continue. Good luck. Computation basic. Give your answer in simplest fractional terms. What is 4/5 times 3/7? I'm not even done yet, but green 4. No, I'm not even done reading. What is 4/5 times 3/7 minus 1/35? 11/35 is correct for 6 points to red one. Okay, people need to stop opening the pen. Right.
Yeah, please.
22. Computation basic. A circle has a radius of 13 inches. What is the diameter? Alright, green 4. 26 is right for 6. Computation basic for 23. How many red balloons are there if there are 6 blue balloons for every 5 red balloons and there are 180 blue 20 okay, 5.
150.
150 is correct, green 5 for 6 points. 24 is computation pyramidal. You want to find the mean of the following data set: 10, 11, 13, 8, 4, 2, and 1. To do this, you add up 10 plus 11 plus 13 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and okay, green 5.
7.
Yes, good for 6. Alright, and here is the last toss-up.
Then we go 44. Or 30.
No,
40 points. Okay.
Okay, computation basic. What is 2.9 times 15? What is 2.9 times 15? You have 30 seconds. Okay, so green 5. Time.
43.5.
43.5 to red 1 is correct, and you get 5 points.
What did we do for green? Green 5? 10.
-2.
That's a minus 2. Okay,
Okay, Charles is at 10 points. Got it.
okay.
All right.
Any discrepancies before we
I'm checking. Sorry. No, I agree with that.
1, 2, place, just 3 house. Third place, take the Bryson, right?
Yeah, the top 3 are the. Do we have to break every?
No, just top 3.
No.
Okay, so in that case, right.
Break it because it's 5 for every single one.
Yes, there is a plaque, I believe, for everyone, so we will break 4. Just to be safe.
Yeah.
Between.
Another question.
And we have 2 twos to that.
I think so. I
Okay,
think
so we
for
break it.
finals you have to break everything.
Okay, so we're gonna break the tens first, yes?
Okay, so we're gonna break the 4th place, and I don't have any questions, so thank you. Oh, we need to. So yeah, we're gonna break the ties because all the plaques say like 4th place, I believe. Unless they just say finalist, but I think that they break it by number.
Like the final and like
Yeah, one of you and
Thought they were on counter.
Oh, no, no.
but why don't you bring them up and there. Thank you so much.
I've got on for it. Yeah, we need to break it.
Yeah, we're gonna go try it.
Can you get on there? Yeah, no, we're gonna make everybody. What, you wanna bring these in? Says I have more room than you do.
Alright, please just hang tight. We're getting 2 additional questions. They're just we already used one of the replacement ones, so just hang tight. I know I'm saying that a lot, but sorry, what? We will have,
Do you have one question in your?
Okay.
slot? Scott is sending them.
okay, so we need Pippin and Charles to battle it out for the 4th place spot. This is going to be a computation basic toss-up. So pencil and paper ready. Ready, both of you? Okay. What is 3371 plus 311 minus 888? What is 3371 plus 311 minus 888? Five,
2,794.
you got it. Right. Thanks. Yes.
Pippin is fifth.
Yeah. Okay, and then hang tight because they're going to be sending us another one. I don't know why they sent
Nathan
it.
is sixth with 9 points.
Yeah. Okay.
Congratulations. That will be what we do next.
Yes. Sorry, they're just going to send us something in a second.
Great job, everyone.
Yes.
Two, like, extra questions. We used one of them for the first tiebreaker, and we used another one for, like, the buzzer problem.
Yes, and then we're waiting on a third.
You should just equip you with 5 top,
That's a very good point.
Yeah.
but they only gave you
So like which questions? He's sending family news. I forgot my screen.
Oh, that one was there.
Are we gonna do that?
Yeah, we'll do it on the
And we've requested to get photos.
No, because like the readers will only come up with like one hint on the spot.
Anything? Connor thing?
Connor, can you be our photog or
Yeah,
For pictures, and I'll distribute.
of course.
we're
waiting for the tiebreakers? He is typing.
What? Oh, By the way, we've gone down to 2.
Oh,
What?
what's worse now?
People left?
The
You guys
suspense.
subscribe.
Do you need somebody?
Thank you to passionate people watching our mathematically final. Please like and
Have a
subscribe.
question.
Okay, this is between
Mason Martin
Grace and Marty.
for 7th place.
Only you two. Okay. Ready? What is 32 plus 92 minus 56 plus 99 minus 17? I'll say it again. What is 32 plus 92 minus 56 plus 99 minus 17? Got it. When we call you up, come up and get one of these very big shiny plaques or one of these trophies. So,
Do you want me to take a picture with my phone or someone else? Or whatever.
Yours are fine. It's what it is now. So
okay, so
sorry.
It's also still going.
Let's come up. I'm going to sneak around.
Yeah. Noah, you read your questions today.
Eighth place. Grace. Yeah. Congrats. Right. Marty, 7. There you go. It's,
Oh,
you want a photo? Sixth place, Nathan W. Cool,
Yep.
alright. Fifth place, Pippin. Yeah. No pocket face.
Lower, lower. Hold it lower.
This works. Alright, we're good.
I got a photo bomb.
Stop.
Fourth place, Charles.
Uh,
Right, moving on to the trophy family. Right, Bryson, third. On to second, Srihas. And our winner,
Good job,
Nate
Srihas.
Fly.